All right, here we go. Dodge Caliber 2 liter. We got this issue right here with the P001 and P0300 multiple misfire. Previous video, we checked the injectors, we checked this coil, spark plug, brand new spark plug. Everything is good. There's the sparks. We got pressure. There's a pulse on the injector. We end up getting injectors anyways from the junkyard. Everything run okay. We have multiple misfire on the scanner. It's up to like 30 or 80. There's some like 200 misfire per minute. So you can see we got the air leak down test right here. Test long boroscope. We're gonna check this out. Finally find the problem. Let's get started. Let's go. So you guys wanna check out the couple of videos I have. I got the short video and about 10-12 minutes video of diagnosing this problem. Finally, we narrow it down. Here we go. So on my boroscope right here, this is one way to test if you're on the top dead center. So make sure the top dead center on cylinder number 1. And after the cylinder number 1, we're gonna do the number 4 after. So you can see this is the intake valves. It's wet. And then the exhaust valve up on the top. You can see that there's all closed. The valves are closed. Top dead center. This thing is awesome, guys. You can just maneuver up and down on this camera. You can see the top of the piston right there. And then if you turn this knob, you can see the piston right there. Yeah, there you go. That's the top of the piston. And that's the bottom of the valve right there. So that's top dead center. All the valves are sealed, ready to put air on there. So let's quickly take this out. Now we got this OTC cylinder leak down test right here. Let's put this hose in here in the spark plug, and then we'll connect this gauge and then put some air in. All right, here's our setup. Air line from the tank going in, go out all the way to the cylinder right there. So this is the cylinder pressure. This is the pressure what came from the tank. So let's put some pressure on here. I could hear air hissing. There's another way to check if it's piston from the dipstick. Another way to check if the air is coming from the exhaust valve. You go to the exhaust pipe, put your ear on there. And then if it's from the intake valve, take out the intake box and put your hand in here, and you can see that there's an air coming out. There you go. There's air coming out of the intake tube. So that means that the valve is not bent. It's just not sealing right. There's a carbon buildup on that valve seat. If that happens, for sure it'll be the same thing on the cylinder number 4. The worst one is cylinder number 1. We got lots of misfire on that one compared to the cylinder 4. So there you go, guys. Finally found a problem on this. It was leaking from the intake valve. When I did a wet test on the cylinder, when I did a compression, I put oil on there. It was like shot to like 220 psi. When it's dry, it's like 145. This one is okay. It shot to like 30 psi more than from the dry pressure. So wet test, those are the piston and ring. It's good. Piston and ring is good. But now with this leak down test, the intake valves is not seating right, and it needs to be cleaned. It needs to be taken out the head, take out the valves, and then clean it up, and then lap all those valves, especially the intake, lap the valves, and then get all that carbon out, clean it up. So that's it, guys. That's how you check this misfire on this Dodge Caliber 2 liter. There's so many steps before you get to this point right here. So obviously check the spark, check the pressure of the fuel, make sure you got the pulse on the injectors, and after that do leak down tests. So what I'm gonna do is this is a big job to do. It's not that bad, but the value of this car is really low. So I'm just gonna go as is, sell it with this engine light on, let the new owner know that there's a misfire. You know, it runs good, it runs fine, it just slightly misfire. There's no vibration on the engine, but other than that, that's it, guys. This is the end of this Dodge Caliber. Just keep on driving it. Who knows, maybe someday somebody will fix this up, but for me this is too much and it's not enough value to change that valves and clean the valves. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this DIY quick diagnose. Like always, see you guys again on next one.